How to find Mello Roos on any property, coming up. Hi, friends. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Sherry Elliott. I've been a real estate broker in El Dorado Hills, California for over 2 decades. I'm also well known as the broker on a bike simply because of my past cycling careers in both downhill mountain biking and BMX. You can look at that fun stuff on your own time. For now, let's get to how to find Mello Roos. It is so easy to find Mello Roos because I've done the legwork for you. We're just going to go straight to my website. I'm going to show it to you step by step right here on this screen. Let's get to it. So here we are at my website. Really easy. Just go to sherryelliott.com. In the upper right-hand corner, the resources button, you'll see the drop-down menu. Just click Mello Roos. And then you go to the great Mello Roos page, which has all kinds of Mello Roos information if you want to learn more about Mello Roos. But today we're just going to learn how to quickly search for Mello Roos right there, quick search. And you'll see those 4 main buttons right there, El Dorado County. You click that with your APN number. I'm going to call it parcel number. I need to remember to do that. So parcel number, what the heck is that? Parcel number, same thing as APN number. We're not going to get into the details of exactly what that is right now. Just know you got to have it right now to find Mello Roos. And then also Sacramento County, same thing. Click on it. Sacramento County has a really cool additional area there. If you don't have parcel number, you can punch in the address and get one. Really nice feature. And then Placer County, same thing. You have your parcel number ready. You just put it right in there and you're going to get to the information you need. So really good information. There's other counties as well if you're not in one of those tri-county areas. Really good information on this page. But otherwise, that's how you find Mello Roos. Simple. Really easy. If you have any other real estate questions, you can go ahead and contact me through my website at sherryelliott.com. Have a great day.